Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another princess inspired video and today I'm going to be doing Tiana from the 6 Princesses in It's a Princess Thing palette from Disney and ColourPop. So in my last video I did Belle and I used the lipstick that was in the collection from Belle and it did a look inspired from that lipstick, and today I'm going to be doing the same thing with lipstick that is created for Tiana. So this is the lipstick that is created for Tiana and it's a really deep red shade, and that's the look I'm going to be matching with. I'm going to be matching a look with this lipstick. So for starters, again, like I did for Belle, I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to use this brush from Real Techniques and go into the shade Juju, which is a pinker shade. And I'm just going to kind of like pat that everywhere. Now with the other fluffy brush, I'm going to go into the shade Chip and go over where I just put down Juju. Now I want to use this flat shader brush and go into Magic Carpet and just pat this down on the outer half of my lid. I'm going to use the same brush and go into Midnight Curfew and do that on the outer third of the lid. Now I'm going to use the Super Shock eyeshadow in Hi Ho. I'm going back into Midnight Curfew on that same flat shader brush. Now I've gotten Thingamabob on my finger and I'm just going to put that on top. And I want to use another flat brush just to blend the two of these together. Lastly, for the eyes, on a small shader brush, I'm going to go into Enchanted Rose, and I'm going to put this on the lower lash line. Alright, for the brow bone, I'm going to go in with Ray, like I did with Belle. I'm going to do Ray and Prince Charming on the inner corner. Now I'm going to use this NYX felt tip eyeliner and just line my upper lash line. And finally, I'm going to end this look with the Tiana lipstick. Okay, I'm not sure why I thought this lipstick was going to look a little bit more red on. It's definitely more vampy than I thought, but I think maybe next time I leave the pink and do like the color Grumpy instead, but I still think it's really okay. Hey, buddy. Okay. Hey, okay. I really hope you enjoyed this Tiana inspired makeup look, and if you want to see which princess look I create next, then keep on watching. Bye!